Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while, including, you can see right here, the final 30 minutes of the day. Definitely had a big surge of volume right there. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that will be down here at this little miniature consolidation area right around $2.15. So $2.35, $2.15, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. As far as where resistance levels are at, it's pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there at $2.50. So $2.50 will be public enemy number one going forward. But any way you look at it, great movement. And now, in my opinion, at least, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority. Top priority right now is just go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being formed over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So nice move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.